today I'm going to show you where to download the most powerful 3D CAD CAM program, which is probably equivalent to Fusion 360, and it is totally free. And another good thing about it is it does not use the cloud. It can be put on any computer and it's totally yours to use however you want, whether it's commercially or whether it's for a hobby purpose. And once you have downloaded it on your computer, you don't need to be connected to the internet in any way. It operates from your computer. All the files necessary for it to work are in your computer. So it does not rely on the cloud, which is something that I disagree with strongly. So this program is called FreeCAD. FreeCAD has been around for a couple of years now, but it's only now that they have, shall we say, fully developed it. I'm going to be downloading and showing you how to use FreeCAD 1.1. So all you do is to go into your search engine and put in FreeCAD. So this is the first listing that comes up, FreeCAD from their website. Now what you're looking for here is the download for the current stable version, which is 1.1.1. okay, so this is the main opening screen. And you can immediately see that you can put it on a Windows computer, a Mac, or Linux. That is a big advantage. So I use a Windows computer, so we're going to press install. Another thing I would encourage you to do is there is a donate window up there, because it's absolutely free, and the people behind this program, you know, they're not paid by a big company. They rely on donations. So I would encourage you to, you know, even if it's just $5, just go along and donate. And you'll see up here, this top corner, that it's automatically started the download, and it just takes a few minutes, because it is, as you'll appreciate, quite a large program. And it's, you know, it's dumping straight onto your computer. That took a little over 3 minutes. I'm out of my workshop here, and it's a little slower, you know, the internet downloading a large program, but it wasn't too bad. So let's go and find it and load it into the computer. So we'll drop this down, and we will open up the downloads. Let's get rid of that. And here it is here. So we'll just open that. Okay, so I'll do this live with you guys to show you how easy it is. So we press yes, and next, and next, and next, and again next, and next, and then install. I think this should take about possibly 2 minutes to go in. So I'll let the computer do its thing, and I'll bring you back in when it's 100% complete. Actually, it's only taken about a minute, so we're coming to the end now. Okay, and finish. And we'll come out of that screen, and we have FreeCAD here, 1.1.1, and let's open it. So there's the opening screen. Now I won't set the program up here. It's probably a lot easier if I do this down in the office on a different computer. Other than show you very quickly that you can either have, you know, the full light bright screen like this is, but I find working for any length of time it is much better with the dark screen. So I'll just quickly show you how to change to that. But first of all, in my country, and incidentally this video is available in 22 different languages around the world, so, and you can choose your own native language here for the program. I use standard millimeters, and the style I use is CAD. You have a choice of using several different types, even SolidWorks. This relates to the operation of the mouse. Okay, what you know, left, right, scroll wheel, and in relation to manipulating a 3D object. But I prefer to use CAD, which is the normal type, I find. Blender is also pretty good, and if you're using a laptop, you may choose to use touchpad, because that gives you the option of using the little touchpad on a laptop. But that's good for me. I choose black screen, and done. So now I'm going to hop down into the office, and we will continue this little CAD tutorial for FreeCAD.